Hello and once again, welcome everyone. This is Sunil from 3D Architect. In this tutorial, I am going to explain you how to fix a normal on any object. So if I go here on this sofa, I see here on this object, normal is not correct. I can see it from inside, but I'm not able to see it from outside. And this model is provided by one of my students from the cinematic rendering course. So if I open this image, so he said, Master, can a sofa in this condition be repaired? If I look at 3ds Max, nothing happens. Maybe you have experienced the same. So it was a sofa in his room. He was working and following the tutorial or the course from. I said, please send me the sofa model so that I can cross check. So this is the exact sofa model he sent to me, where I can clearly see that this object normal is not correct. Now let's see how we can fix it. So option number one to fix it is, which I will not recommend. So you can go ahead and open the material which is applied on this sofa, open the master material, and you can go ahead and use it. But this is a material from in data interchange of FBX, which I will not recommend to modify if you're not aware about what you are doing. So instead, you can go ahead and open the material instance, and in the material property override, you can go ahead and switch on two-sided. So this is option number one to fix this option, this problem, which again I will not recommend to fix this because actual problem on the mesh is not fixed. It's just the temporary for visual it's fixed. So instead of fixing it this way, I will recommend you should go to the modeling tool, then find for the normal, which you might found it somewhere here. Okay, here in attribute more, you have to go to more and then attributes, and here it's normal. Right click and then add to favorite, and it will be added up here. So I have it here already, favorite, added to favorite. So I will click on normal, and then you can go ahead and click on fix inconsistent normal first, and this will fix the problem automatically. If sometime this doesn't works, then what you have to do, you have to click invert normal. So it's always better to click on fix inconsistent normal instead of inverting the normal. If this doesn't help, then go ahead with this. So as you can see, just a click fix inconsistent normal and the problem is fine, and this actually corrects the normal on the mesh. And on top of that, you can go ahead and now and then enable two-sided, which is not bad in this case scenario, but try to use it and see here in the on the border this object is still having issue. So you can go ahead in that case, see if I switch it off, this normal is not corrected. So what in that case you should do, you should switch it off, go ahead and click on generate polygroup. So you will find this somewhere here, just add it to favorite, so it is available for you to instantly access it. Click on generate polygroup and then click accept. And now I have to fix the mesh like in normal problem on this object only, this part, this border. So what I will do, I will go to try select. In the try select, I will make it to 0.01 and I will change the brush type to biomaterial connected. And then I will go ahead, zoom in, and then I will select that part. And then here I will scroll down and click fix nor, clip nor. Okay, I will separate it for now. I'll go ahead and do the same for this. It's already separated. So I will select both of them and then click on normal. And this time I will click on fix inconsistent normal. Or if this doesn't work, I can click flip normal. So as you can see, the normals have been fixed in the entire, like all the parts with issue on the incorrect normal, and click accept. So use fix inconsistent normal, fix like invert normal. If needed, just separate the part of the object which is not correct. Suppose this is part of this object, now this is correct but this is not correct, then you can go ahead and import, like separate this and separate this, and then eventually you can go ahead and flip the normals independently if you want. So this is the way you can fix the issues. Always remember, if you need a shortcut, just go ahead and make it two-sided and the problem will solve, which I don't recommend in every scenario. Sometimes this will help you, but fixing the actually flipped normal on the mesh and then using it will be okay. This, when you are using this button, it's also going to make your scene a little bit heavy in terms of shader performance. So use it wisely, not use every time. But yeah, it is situation. I will be explaining about this in optimization series more in depth. But as of now, you can go ahead and use it for faster solution to this problem. And if you want the actual problem to be fixed, then you can just invert the normal using modeling tool. I hope this video helps you how to fix inconsistent normal on any mesh. I'll see you all in the next video. Till then, have a great time.